Is not yet up here in central Illinois, but we do have some cold temperatures this morning. But thankfully, they won't be as bad as they were yesterday. Let's bring in meteorologist Phil Collins now. Phil, please tell me this subtle warm-up is here to stay.
Well, overall, no. We're still going to notice some cooler air starting to move through as we head into the next couple days, but we will make it back into the 40s. But as we start to look at our national temperatures right now across central Illinois, you're going to notice that 18 in Rapid City, the 16 in Boise, Idaho, that's still going to move our way, and while it's not going to be as bad, we will start to notice the impact of some cooler air moving through. So right now it is 24 degrees here in Decatur, but feeling like 11 degrees, feeling like 9 up in Bloomington. And then if we make our way back down towards that I-70 corridor, feeling like 14 degrees in Effingham. Keep in mind, the temperatures itself have improved significantly. We're talking almost 30 degrees out in Jacksonville, 22 for the better here in Decatur from 24 hours ago. Now, if we were to look at this tomorrow, well, it'll be showing in decreasing temperatures, of course, because we welcome in that cooler air. But we're going to talk about the positivity in this forecast, and that is we are expecting some change, at least in the next 7 days. And realistically, we're starting to see some of that warmth because of southerly winds ushering in that warmer air out of the south. Right now, it is breezy, about 15 to 20 miles per hour, depending on where you're at. A little calmer up in Watseka, as well as down in Shelbyville, but overall, still expect the breezy winds today out of the south, but eventually things will change. So here's that warm front slashing through Quad Cities right now. It'll start to impact this, and this is why we're starting to see the better temperatures right now. But you'll also notice this morning the chance of some snow showers across central Illinois. Most of it looking to be south of I-72, I-74, but that doesn't mean if you're in McLean County, Ford, or Iroquois County that you won't see some of the opportunity for snow. We're not expecting a whole lot out of this by any means. I'd say 1/10 of an inch at most. In fact, that is the bare minimum for requirements to call it an accumulating snow. So we're not looking like a whole lot today, but take a look at this. That cold front will start to sweep through tonight, and that's what changes everything. So notice the clouds still in this forecast with the opportunity of snow. Even as we head into tonight, it's just going to be a stray or a quick flurry, not lasting all that long into your Friday by any means, but then a high pressure starts to move through as we head into your Friday morning, afternoon. It's going to clear out the clouds, bring us plenty of sunshine, but at the same time, winds will come back out of the north. So whenever we start to get those northerly winds, obviously not a great thing during the winter, but then this high pressure moves back off to the southeast, and that's going to kick up some southerly winds, and then that's whenever we start to see some of that warmer trend across central Illinois. That will remain with us at least for a few days. And of course, that goes into your weekend as well with some of those southerly winds. We'll start to notice that progression in the temperatures starting Sunday, but really as we head into next week. So for your commuter forecast today, we're talking the opportunity for a few flurries that, of course, will impact a few communities more than others, but temperatures in the mid-20s could be a lot worse. So if you want to talk about the positivity, the nice thing is we do top out at 37 degrees with mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. Of course, the winds will still be a bit breezy out of the west, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, 16 degrees for your low, gradually clearing skies. Of course, that 16 could feel like the single digits for some because the winds will be back out of the north. We get into your same area 7-day forecast. We get lots of sunshine, but again, it's the lack of warmth, at least as we head into your weekend. Temperatures struggling to get up to the freezing point by Saturday. We'll be back in the 40s, even pushing the mid to upper 40s there Tuesday, but then we start to welcome in another cold front, and that's why we start to get some showers into midweek with a wintry mix Wednesday night.